Okay guys, welcome back to another web development series on my channel, Coding Miracle. So I created this game, but it's not functioning. It cannot play because I've not typed in, I've not written the JavaScript part of the code. So what this game does is that it will generate a random number for you to guess between 1 to 100. So we need to make the games to start functioning. So let's make our computer generate a random number. We can just say something like let's number equals, okay, for a computer to generate a random number, you need to use math.round for it to generate a random number, but we need it to be rounded up to 0. So we are going to use math.flow. Flow. Then inside the math.flow we have math.random. So we're gonna write something like math.random times 100 because we want it to generate a random number from 0 to 100. So let's console.log number. Okay, let's see if our system generates a random number. It generated 17, 53. So now that our system can generate a random number from 1 to 100, we need the system, we need to get what the user has inputted. You can just say like inputs. Okay, sorry for that. Let's inputs equals document dot get element. Get element by ID. So the ID for our input is game inputs. Actually, that so we need to get inputs for, we need to get the output so that we can be able to tell the user whether his input is correct or not. So we can say something like let's call it output equals document dot get element by ID. You can say that should be game output. So now that we have gotten the inputs, the outputs, so the next thing is to create a function that will run the game, and if you can take a look here, we have named the function, but the function is, we have not even put anything into the function. We can just create the function now. You can see function. So the function name is play. So it's not gonna take in any parameter. So you can just say something like if the input equals the number, then actually, okay, let's just say if inputs equals number, you can say something like congratulations. Congratulations, you guessed right, and your number is like this. So I think this should do it if the person is able to guess the right number. So we can have another statement that says else we have another statement that says else, okay, it's actually else if inputs is less than number. So when input is less than number, the game is meant to say, oh, you guessed too low. You can say something like, sorry. You can say something like, you guessed too low. I think this should do it. Then, so I can also say something like else if input is greater than number, I'll be like, you guessed too high. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. So let's check. I got the random number, I got my inputs and then the outputs. So okay, sorry for this. So if this happens, then this is meant to be pushed to the output. So I can just say something like out, and say outputs dot inner HTML equals this. Sorry for that. Say the same thing here, outputs dot inner HTML equals this. Okay, still repeat the same thing here. Output dot HTML equals this. So it's still not working. So what should be the issue? What should be the issue? Okay, I think this should be dot value. Yeah. So let's just try again. Okay, it's not working. It gets too low. So if you get something like 90, because the correct answer according to our console is 88, it should be giving us it gets too high. So what's wrong? This worked out. Okay, let's remove this bracket. I think the bracket is the issue. Okay, so it's giving 95. Let's try writing like 98 to make sure. It's just saying it gets too low. So what should be the issue? Or do you make mistake with this? Let's try. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me try writing the correct 95. Wow. So let's try this. Wow. So okay, let me try putting this inside this function. So let's see if it will work. Wow, it's working. 95. Wow. So the correct answer is 92. So this is the game, and we have been able to go through the code, and we have been able to solve the problem of the number guessing game. Okay guys, you have successfully created the game and it's functioning. This game can be able to take inputs. For instance, take in the username and then display it somewhere on top of this place. So what do you think? If you are interested in knowing more about that, you can subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video, where I'll be showing you how to collect the username and display it on top of the game. So until my next video, I would like you to subscribe, share this video with your friends so that they can be able to know how to create a number guessing game with JavaScript. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.